And just as I hit record, the AC comes on for the supplemental air. Why is it always my luck? Oh well. So, as you can see, I am pressing some binding to go on the quilt. I've saved this stuff for years just to make sure I had enough. And I think it took me 7 strips. Hopefully I'll be able to join it up at the end where it won't be like join, you know. I think I'm going to try to do it because it was like 6.2 strips. So I'm going to, I don't know, leave a really long tail on the first one. But somebody told me just to press on and get this binding on this one and color done. So that's what I'm doing. I feel like listening to little Dolly Parton today. She passed away yesterday. But it would be hard for me to pick which song I would say described her the most. I started seeing her in the late 60s, early 70s. I even saw her at the Grand Ole Opry. Yeehaw. They were probably filming a Porter Wagner show. I saw her a few times there. And then I hear this morning that Tim Curry passed away last night. Or it would be morning my time. But I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to pause this for now. Well, I'm about to start to attempt to put the binding on this quilt. I've got my walking foot on with its 1/4 inch foot. My scanning cuts up there, that's why I can't put the entire thing up. Sorry, I'll talk louder. Even though I made a 3-inch binding, I am sewing it at 1/4 of an inch. So I will come up here to 1/4 of an inch. And I sewed off. Hopefully it's 1/4 inch. Let's see. Try to get this all down here. I think I'm getting better at my corners. I'll see how this one turns out. The last one wasn't too terrible. I should probably not sew that fast with my walking foot on. Turn it down a little bit. I'm not going to make you watch me do all of this. Whoops, you probably can't even see me anyway. Sorry about that. But I figured I would do a little bit. And then come back when I'm getting closer to ending it up. How about that? Okay, I just turned the corner for the last edge, and I'm going to sew down probably 1.5 blocks and then stop. Okay, I'm going to cut this off now. And I'm going to go cut it. Yikes. So I made the cut. That's the first cut. Oh. Now, since this is a 3-inch binding, it has to go over 3 inches, which is this far. Which is 1, 2, 3. Oh, I almost cut the wrong one. Dang. That would have been very bad. 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. Yikes. I'm about to cut it. I hope this works. Okay, so this is my first attempt at trying to join this backing, and I will be happy if I get it done this first time, but I'm not holding my breath. Oops. Different corner. Okay. No. I've still got my 1/4 inch walking foot on. Because I didn't want to have to take it off and then put it back on and all of that. So, okay, let's see if we got this. Ta-da! How is this gonna work? Oh my goodness. I got it the first time. Now is it all gonna fit? Oh, might be a little loose, but you know, I got it. I got it. Oh my goodness. The first time. Okay. Okay, I gotta go trim it and do all of that stuff, and then I'm gonna close this up. Hold on. I have enough to finish this. Yay. Or I should say enough thread. This may be a little, I may have a little tuck in here, which is going to piss me off. But I'd rather, I guess, have that than be, I'm going to have a big tuck in it. Damn it. Oh, sorry about that. But that's just going to have to be the way it is. Next time I do this, I think I'm going to cut it a little bit tighter. Just a smidge. But then again, you know, I can't complain because I did use a 3-inch binding, so. Well, all right. And see, I did have a little bit, but oh my goodness. It is done. I get to, you know, do all the pressing and clamp it back, and then I'll do a stitch in the ditch, but because I'm not hand sewing this one on. Nope, no way. But oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Look at that. It's going to look good, I think, once I get it all pressed. But that's not going to be today. I cannot believe I closed that binding right the first time. And with that, that's going to be it for today. I will talk to you later. Bye.